And also with our heating, our furnaces, should we go with a high efficiency and personal and or our rentals, or should we just go with maybe just a regular units?
All right. For one, when it comes to the different refrigerant, that's outside of your control. That's outside of my control. That the type of refrigerant is determined by the government entities in which we have available. So if you whatever system you put in now, you're going to have one of two types if it's installed now, and they're what they call A2L refrigerants, meaning they're slightly flammable. So the refrigerant is outside of your control and is outside of my control. So there's no need to be concerned with it because we don't have control of that. We just have to we have to put in what's available when it comes to the refrigerant. When it comes to high efficiency units, if you have a house that's older and it has a standard chimney, if it has a standard chimney, then you want to go with a higher efficiency. Because if it has a standard chimney, you would have to put a chimney liner in, which would basically negate the price of a higher efficiency unit. So instead of paying to get a chimney liner put in, you would just pay for a higher efficient unit. So it's better off if you have just a regular chimney to go with a higher efficiency unit in your home and rental property. Now, if you don't have a chimney and you can just it's just a chase that comes down the middle of the house, then on your rental property, I recommend you going with build a grade.